Hey there, we're going to take a few minutes to show what we learned from Tuesday's experience on the map to make Thursday's experience run a little bit more smoothly for those of you who are having some issues. Some of you rocked it and you said you had no issues. Fantastic. But let's see if we can make it smoother for everybody. Now, in terms of environmental issues, these are things that are on around your house or where you're taking the test. And one of the common things was I kept on falling asleep. So remember, you can do things during the map at home that you can't do at school. So stand up, walk around, get some cold water, splash on your face, get something to drink. Um, you've got options. So please be aware of that. Standing up, I think, might actually be very helpful if possible. Setting your Chromebook on a countertop, um, at least until you're awake. You figure out what works for you. Noisy home or distracted. This one's a little bit trickier because we don't know what's going on at your house. But perhaps having some earbuds with background noise, not music. Music might distract you, but ambient background noise might be helpful to drown out the sound, or noise cancellation earbuds. That's a possibility if you have them. Put distractions away. The cell phone, you should put it away in another room. If you've got little siblings who are running around and they're a distraction, maybe ask your adults for a little bit of support if that's possible, and then find a quiet place. Um, Again, if that's possible in your place, at your place. Noisy Google Meet. One of the things you can do is mute the tab. And I'm going to share my screen or jump out of this just for a second. Muting the tab is very simple. You go up here, you do a right click, which is two fingers, and then you pull down to mute site. So if the conversation in the Google Meet was causing distractions, it's a quick and easy fix. All right. Now I'm going to go back to present mode, and then you can unmute it doing the same thing when you need to go back into the Meet to mute a teacher. In terms of technology, generally speaking, the morning session went much more smoothly regarding technology for most people than the makeup session did. So here are a couple of things. If you keep on getting kicked out, if you have two tabs that are open, like only the Google Meet and the map session, then once you're logged into map and you're set, X out of the Google Meet. Don't tap it and then X out of it. Just actually X out of that tab, and then return if you have issues. Okay. Um, if you in the regular session, in the morning session, if you keep on getting kicked out, if you have a bunch of extra tabs open, close them. Only keep those two, and then see if you can minimize the other devices that are on the Wi-Fi. So turn off the Wi-Fi on your cell phone. See what other things are going on. Again, we don't know your home situation, so maybe you've got four siblings who are all on the Wi-Fi at the same time because they're all doing online school. Just do what you can do. And then if you're repeatedly kicked out of the makeup session, there's one of the things that you have to do ahead of time for that, and that's show up on time in the morning session. I think we believe that people are getting kicked out of the mornings or the afternoon session because of the map people were getting traffic from all over the country around noon because of the different time zones and the start times of different schools. So if you can avoid the afternoon session, that would be best for you. That would be the least frustrating. And so in order to do that, show up on time and really work through the test. Um, I think those things, if you take care of that, that should help you out. Good luck. Have a great, great time.